So we have seen relative position. Now we will discuss about the relative velocity. So what is relative velocity? The relative velocity of particle A with respect to B is defined as the velocity with which appears to move if B is considered to be rest. That means the velocity of particle A with respect to B is the velocity of particle A when we consider B is a rest. So relative velocity in one dimension. Suppose that is origin and here is a particle A. So that is the distance is xa. So what will be xa? Xa is a position of particle A with respect to origin. And there is another particle B. And the distance between the origin and particle B is xb. Then what is xb? So xb is defined as a position of particle B with respect to origin. If we have to find xab, what is xab? Xab is a position of particle A with respect to B. So how we will get xab? Xab will be xa minus xb. We have seen this in a relative position. Now if a particle A is moving with Va velocity, so Va will be velocity of particle A with respect to origin. And suppose particle B is moving with velocity Vb, and Vb is a velocity of particle B with respect to origin. Consider this question is 1. So divide equation 1 with time. So what will we get? Xab is equal to xa minus xb divided by t. So xab by t is xab is a displacement of A with respect to B upon time. So displacement upon time is a velocity. So xab by t can be written as a vab. That is vab is a velocity of A with respect to B is vab. That will be equal to Va minus Vb. So we get the formula if we have to find velocity of A with respect to B, that is defined as a velocity of A with respect to origin minus velocity of B with respect to origin. VAB is velocity of A with respect to B, and VA is velocity of A with respect to origin. In the same way, velocity of B is a velocity of B with respect to origin. Now we discuss some questions. Write down the question. A particle A is moving with a speed of 10 meter per second towards right, and another particle B is moving at speed of 12 meter per second towards left. We have to find out velocity of approach. So to solve these questions, first we draw the diagram. Suppose that is a particle A and it is moving towards right with a velocity that is VA 10 meter, and there is another particle B that is moving towards left with a velocity 12 meter. So we have to find the velocity of approach. This velocity of approach will be velocity of particle A with respect to B. Velocity of particle A with respect to B is represented like VAB. So what is VAB? VAB is VA minus VB. If we consider VA is moving towards the right, if we consider right side as a positive, so VA will be plus 10 meter per second and VB will be minus 12 meter per second, because particle B is moving towards left. If we consider right side as a positive, then left side will be negative, and we know velocity is a vector quantity. So velocity of A with respect to B, that is velocity of approach, that is velocity of A with respect to origin minus velocity of B with respect to origin. So velocity of A is plus 10 minus, and velocity of B with respect to origin is minus 12. So velocity of AB is 10 plus 12, that is 22 meter. That means velocity of approach VAB is 22 meter per second. Write down the next question. A particle A is moving with speed of 20 meter per second towards right, and another particle B is moving at speed of 5 meter per second towards right. So we have to find out velocity of separation. So first draw the diagram. That is a particle A that is moving towards right side with the velocity of 20 meter per second. There is another particle that is B that is also moving towards the right side with velocity of 5 meter. So velocity of A 20 meter per second is with respect to ground. Now we have to find the velocity of the separation. So velocity of separation, that is VAB, velocity of A with respect to B, that will be VA minus VB. So velocity of A with respect to B is equal to velocity of A with respect to ground, or we can say with respect to origin, minus velocity of B with respect to ground. So again, if we consider right side is positive, then the particle is moving towards right side, so that velocity will be positive, that is plus 20 meter per second, and the particle B is also moving towards right side, so this velocity will be positive, that is plus 5 meter. So now we have to find velocity of separation, that is VAB will be velocity of A is plus 20 meter per second minus velocity of B, that is 5 meter per second. So velocity of AB, that is velocity of separation, will be 15 meter per second. That is the answer.